6 million years to carve, 6,000 feet deep, 18 miles wide. The Grand Canyon is so impossibly massive that it literally generates its own weather system. You aren't just looking at a canyon, you are looking at a completely different world hiding inside the Earth. To comprehend its scale, you have to throw out everything you know. It stretches nearly 277 miles long, holding over 1 quadrillion gallons of empty space. As the Colorado River sliced through this plateau, it acted like a geological scalpel. The dark rock at the very bottom, known as the Vishnu Schist, is 1.8 billion years old. That is nearly half the age of the Earth itself, entirely exposed to the human eye. For 12,000 years, Native American tribes survived in this brutal terrain. But when Spanish explorers arrived in September of 1540, they took one look, spent 3 days trying to climb down, and surrendered, declaring it a terrifying, impassable wasteland. It took over 300 years before anyone successfully mapped the bottom. In August of 1869, John Wesley Powell launched wooden rowboats into the raging rapids below, proving that the impossible could be survived. Finally, in February of 1919, its 1.2 million acres were locked into protection as a national park. Today, over 5 million people stand on this rim every year. It stands as the ultimate reminder. We are just a blink in time, witnessing a masterpiece.